In this video, we'll review how to create an auto-reply rule for your team inbox. An auto-reply rule allows your team to automatically send a reply containing a message template in response to a customer's inbound message. For example, when a message comes into your support inbox after hours, you might automatically send a confirmation letting the customer know that their request has been received and when they can expect a response. To do this, you'll first create the message template that you'd like to send as your auto-reply. An admin can do so in Workspace Settings under the Message Templates section. Click Create Template and craft your auto-reply. Please note that if using dynamic variables, Front can only auto-populate the contact information it already has. You can define a fallback by adding a pipe and then the fallback text in single quotation marks, like this. Once the message template is created, an admin can create a rule that sends it as an auto-reply. Under Workspace Settings in the Rules and Macros section, click Create Rule. In the Rule Templates library, click into the Accelerate section and select Reply Using Message Template. Start by naming your rule. Next, define the rule triggers and conditions. In this case, we want the rule to trigger anytime a new message comes into the support team inbox outside of business hours. Business hours can be configured separately at the workspace or inbox level. For the action, select the message template you'd like to send as the auto-reply. Determine which frequency you'd like to send the auto-reply. Reply once will only send the auto-reply in response to the very first message in a new conversation. Reply always will send it in response to every message, no matter if the conversation is new or ongoing. Save the rule to activate it. Now, customers will automatically receive your reply when they message your team outside of business hours. This allows you to provide immediate communication to your customers and ensure they have a seamless experience working with your team.